Hi. Hello. Welcome back to the Target ad. Before going to the topic, assume you are typing a word in Google or any other search engines. You will find many search results corresponds to your search. The results may be images, videos, news or books. This is how called as search engine results. Search engine optimization. The concept of SEO is increasing visibility of a web page or website in a web search engines, example, Google, Yahoo, etc. It is achieved by optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. It targets different kinds of searches, including image search, video search, academic search, news search and so on. There are a number of ways to approach SEO in order to generate qualified traffic to your website. These include on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. On-page SEO. This type of SEO focuses on all of the content that exists on the page when looking at a website. On-page SEO achieved by focusing on high commercially keywords on your niche. It depends on what type of content do you publish. Finally, are you providing important HTML clues that help search engines and users determine relevancy? Keywords. If you are running store for pet food, then you have to know the related keywords, which is mostly searched in internet. Volume of keywords in your website will have the more chances of getting visible to your website online. Off-page SEO. This type of SEO focuses on all of the content that exists off the page when looking at a website. It achieved by focusing number of backlinks or inbound links that other publishers had linked to you. And by networking with other publishers, writing guest posts on your website's also a good strategy. Backlinks or inbound links. The number of publishers that link to you, and the relative authority of those publishers, affect how highly you rank for the keywords you care about. Technical SEO. This type of SEO focuses on the back end of your website. The factors which are impacting technical SEO is image compression, structured data, and CSS file optimization. And also, increasing your website's loading speed is an important ranking factor in Google. SEO is an internet marketing strategy, which is the process of optimizing your website to get organic, unpaid traffic from the search engine results page. SEO is one of the trust-making process to your customer to buy your product or service. We believe you got an idea about search engine optimization. Thank you for watching. Support us and subscribe us for more.